Okay, we've got our felted coin purse now ready to be sewn into the frame. You can see how it's transformed into a fabric really now. And it's still wet. I've pressed it with a towel and stomped on it with my feet to really dry it out as much as possible, but I leave it wet while I sew this in. And that sewing is going to be done with this needle and thread here that comes with the kit if you order this all from me. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here by going through the fabric on just close to the top. Oops. Just close to the top of that. And then we're going to be getting a little bit of it there, just about, I would say, a quarter of an inch maybe before the top of it. And then what you're going to do is take it and put it through this first hole on the frame. Right there, the first hole. You can see that. Put the needle through there and pull the yarn through. I've got it tangled up over here, so just a second. You pull the yarn through. So now you're going to start working this felted coin purse part into the frame by pushing it down under there with your thumbnail. Push the coin purse through the frame and sort of just work that edge into the coin purse once you've got that first stitch in there. I'm sort of just pushing it around in there. Oh, it's not holding real well, but what you do in that case is when you go through the second hole, you're going to lean that needle downwards as much as possible to grab as much of that fabric as you can. Coming back up through for the second stitch. Then you're actually going to go back through that same hole by grabbing a little bit more fabric and pulling it up into that groove. So the point is to get as much of this fabric up into that groove as possible. Going downward with your needle and pulling through. Now this is a special thread that I use. It's an outdoor type of thread. It's very strong because, as you can imagine, this thing's going to take a lot of beating. So it's important that you use a real strong thread, or if you order the kit, it'll come with the right matching thread for you. So you'll work your way around until you get back to this other side right here where you'll finish off. Then you'll have your finished little coin purse.